Hey guys, welcome back to Wix It Fix It videos. This week I was going to talk about gold scrap, you know, where to get it and all that. It's pretty easy to get a hold of. These are just old computer boards, and I don't even know what this come out of. Just old electronics, but anyway, you can see golds everywhere. That's gold. There's some, and you got all those are gold. And you can find it everywhere. And these are the memory out of computers. You can buy them on eBay. They call them fingers. I mean, they come in all different sizes. Let's see, I don't know where that one went. Oh, there it is. That's out of a laptop. It's small, but anyway, well, you can get it about anywhere. I usually just cut them off and put them in something like that. But it's pretty easy to get a hold of. A lot of people just throw it away. It does take a while to make it amount to something, but I mean, somebody would have just threw that away. I mean, it's just gold scrap, but I mean, it adds up after a while. I don't know, these here, I don't know if this is brass or gold plated. I haven't tested it, but I found them in an old factory. They were shutting down, or lab, I mean. I was going to test them, see if it is, but it ends up looking like this. You'll come up with just a whole bunch of scrap. Yeah, that's why I just cut them off those boards. I don't remember where I got all them, but those are pretty pure gold there. It's just plating, most of it, but it adds up. It ends up looking like this. But anyway, I mean, it adds up after a while. Anyway, what was I going to tell you? You want to take, well, where'd it go? Oh, this. Anyway, this, what I do, I mean, you can use aqua reagent, but that stuff's so violent that I like to just use nitric acid. And if you can't get nitric, you can go to the hardware and get muriatic acid for cleaning concrete or whatnot. It'll do the same thing, but I just like to set mine set in nitric. It takes a little longer, but you've seen the results of it. I mean, that stuff, the fumes on that stuff's so bad. And if you do it in your garage, make sure you have a hood or something to pull that out, because it will, just the fumes off of it will corrode all your tools. I wouldn't do it in my garage. But there's another one. Oh, that's off my thing. But I'm going to show you here in a minute. These things here come off a big old massive round thing I took out of an ICP. It was crazy looking. But anyway, you'll see that in the video in a minute. But yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, you want to keep baking soda close in case you get some on you, or if something spills for any reason, it'll neutralize it real fast. But that's just to show you. But I keep a box of it close if you're doing this. and wire gloves. Well, yeah, I was going to show you can take these just old cell phones that are busted like this one, and I mean, you wouldn't believe the gold that comes out of them. That's out of a piece of a cell phone. I mean, they're full of it. I don't want to deal with the rest of it, but yeah, those cell phones usually have a lot of gold in them. Most of them. I have pulled a few of them that didn't have as much, but most of the time they're full of gold. Anyway, I'm going to show you. You'll need get you a filter, something like this. Once you get done rinsing this with acid for a long time, all that gold will come off, and you can just put DI water in it and rinse it out through a filter. Or you can get these lab filters. My father-in-law gave me some of these, but these will filter about anything. And if you do use aqua reagent, which I think is hydrochloric acid and nitric mix, it's 3 to 1, which is 3 nitric, 1 hydrochloric. Like I said, but that's really dangerous. I don't like doing it, but if you do, once you've done that, you can take it's called sodium metabisulfate, that I can't seem to find. Oh, here it is. It's just a powder. Once you've done that, you take and put this in there. Well, first you add DI water until it turns to like a light yellow, and you start adding this, and it'll bind to all the gold. It'll help you get like 99.95% of the gold back out of that. It's called a sodium metabisulfate. But yeah, it works. Yeah, anyway, that's all I got to say right now. I'm debating whether to show y'all how this works, but I don't have no hood set up in my garage. I'm going to have to make something outside, because like I said, I wouldn't do that inside. Just the fumes off of that acid will corrode all your tools. I wouldn't, but anyway. Here's another look at these big old board. Well, it's full of gold. All them, that's gold. All these little spines, they're everywhere. And there, of course, y'all know what them are, isn't that? Like in the computers, you pop them out and break them, there's gold in them. Let's see, what else was I going to tell you? Oh yeah, palladium, which I don't know a whole lot about it, but I was told these things here are palladium. The brown things, I'm not sure, but you can sell it too. I don't know how to process it. It's kind of the same way with acid somehow, but I haven't looked it up. But, I mean, you can make use off of everything on the board if you do that. Anyway, I'll find some stuff, and I guess I'll take a little one outside and show you what it does with nitric. Yeah, I don't know. This thing come out of a ICP, which tests for metals in liquids and soils and whatnot. I'm not sure, but I think these are lasers. I hope. It's got some pretty cool stuff in it. I don't know. If I can't use it, I'll just part it out, but I thought it was pretty cool. It's got a lot of gold on it, like right here. You can see all the gold on these boards. Anyway, I wanted to film this before I stripped it. Maybe something I can do with it. I'm not sure what these are. They look like some kind of a laser or light collector. I'm not sure. But all these got little reflectors in them. And down there too. Anyway, I thought I'd share this with you, but anyway, there's another board. I don't know if I decide what I'm gonna do with it. Probably tear it down. But yeah, that's solid aluminum. Look at that. That thing weighs about 50 pounds by itself. Anyway, we'll decide what to do with it. Well, it's raining here in the south today. Anyway, I want to show you this gold, how it does under nitric. Just add a little bit at a time. So I'm going to put in that one. As you can see already, it's already starting to bubble. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it sitting out here for a little bit and we'll come back and check it and see what it done. Well, it's been about 5 minutes. I can't get too close to it because if you look in that air, it's bubbling over. But that green you see is copper. Yeah, what it does, it doesn't eat the gold, it eats whatever metal's under the gold. The nitric does, and just leaves the gold in there. But it's eating that copper up. Which you can say, I mean, if you wanted to save that you could, but it ain't worth it. Anyway, I just want to show you that, it's pretty cool. Well, I went out there and got this. It's pretty much done. Y'all can see that. Let me get a light. Let me see what to do with that. You can see that gold. It stripped all that metal out of the inner side. Now it's just the gold husk left. And that blue you see, that's just that's copper. That's what copper looks like digested. And if it turns like a burnt sunburst orange, it'll silver. When it digests silver, it turns like a burnt looking orange color. Like that antifreeze you use in cars. This piece here, I put in there, apparently it's pure gold. But it didn't even affect it. So I'll have to melt that one. I can't remember. I got like 4 of them. I don't remember what I got it out of. But whatever it is, it's all gold because it didn't even affect it. Anyway, I'm gonna let that conclude my video. But like I said, you can take all that. There's some more of those though. I don't remember what I got them out of. Wished I had some more of them though. Anyway, like I said, that's all you got to do. Nitric will do that. It just takes a little longer. Then once you're sure it's done, you can just pour it through a filter system like I showed you earlier. Put it through something like this and rinse it out. They have these paper filters you can use too if you, I don't know if I showed them to you earlier. You can put them in a funnel. Every time I do that, more gold sticks to that than it does. It ain't worth all the trouble. They're more for Aqua Regent, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.